Yo, what is going on, guys? Mike back again with another video today, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Yeezy 500 Supermoon Yellow. I don't know what their name is called. I forgot. There's too many of them. I don't know, but I do apologize. I have no footage of me waiting in line. Yes, I did actually go camp out for these, and I waited in line for about 4 hours. But yeah, I'm tired, and I went swimming a little bit before this, so I want a nap. So I'll catch you guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, guys. So I just woke up from my nap. Thank God I took one. I am tired as hell. But oh hi Luna, you want me in a video? You want me in a video, little baby? Look at the little baby. Look at the guys. Like I said, we are doing a unboxing, and we're gonna talk about the Yeezy 500 Supermoon. I still didn't check. What's the colorway? Supermoon? I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go into these guys right here. Side story: the line was literally non-existent. I got there around 7:30 in the morning. I thought I was gonna be late and I'm not gonna get a pair. There's only like 7 or 8 people in line in front of me at 7:30 in the morning, and they didn't open up until 11. And still, even at 11 o'clock, maybe 10 other people showed up. Surprised for that. Usually at Undefeated, when they have releases like this, they usually wrap around the building, which is crazy. I did, however, run into a few guys that talked to in line. Super chill guys. We all got our pairs. I know some people that got 3 pairs plus, and they were gonna resell them all. So we're gonna be talking about that too. Were they worth copying too? Because I don't like to consider myself a reseller. I consider myself an investor. I want to make a return on my purchases. So I do plan on reselling these. Now I know they don't resell for much. I think I see them right now in StockX, especially for a size 12, like 235, 240 max, which isn't too much. I know some sizes are going for maybe upwards of 260. So these don't have too much resale value as of today is when they dropped, but we'll give it a couple of days and see what happens. Now, going into the box, honestly, classic pull out. Beautiful. That beige paper. And boom. As you can see, guys, Yeezy 500. DS, obviously, like I said, I just took these out maybe 20 minutes ago to take a look at them. Now, personally, I think these are ugly as shit. I'm sorry, Kanye. They're ugly, in my opinion, especially the color. If you look at it, it looks like my dog like peed on it. It's a weird yellow like outline. I don't know how to explain it. But comfortable shoe. I did try it on. It is a comfortable shoe, so I'm not gonna lie about that. Overall opinion, to be honest, I only bought this to resell it and make a couple bucks on it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't see myself wearing this shoe, and it's hard to match with, in my opinion. And I'm already a big guy, and big guys with big clunky shoes like this just don't look good. I'm 6'2", about 270, so yeah, a little. Maybe not for me. Maybe for a guy that's a little bit slimmer. Another thing, no boost. It's called Adiprene. That's what the sole is. Non-marking as well. So maybe you can, you wear these to play tennis or something. In my opinion, were these worth copying? I do not think so. In my opinion, unless it's your shoe, your dream shoe, then obviously I'm not trying to put it down or anything like that. It's just in my opinion, for money-wise, to resell and make a couple bucks on it, not really worth it to stand in line for a couple hours and only make, a $30 to $50 profit on it. I got these for $217 some change. I don't know. Yeezy Supply had a size 13 and 12 online for a really long time, and there was like $222, I think, to ship. But Yeezy Supply takes weeks. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but Yeezy Supply does take a long time. I know a couple of friends that bought from there, and they took 2 weeks to get their shoes. So I wasn't trying to wait 2 weeks to, make a $50 profit. Now, I know there's gonna be a lot of people here that wanted the shoe, didn't get it, and they're mad that I'm trying to just flip it. You gotta, in my opinion, these are just a wave of shoes. These aren't gonna be here in 10 years. I can guarantee that. Like, this is gonna be outdated, so I might as well make some money on it while I can. Maybe in the future, when I become, when I have a nice income, maybe like if I make over a couple $100,000, I'll just start copping shoes like this because I can afford it. Right now, I do see a lot of kids my age or younger or even older than me that don't have the income but still spend their money on shoes like this. That's why I haven't really done a pickup video in a while. I've been kind of cutting back and kind of investing in the future. But yeah, guys, let me know what your opinions are on reselling or making money on shoes. Is it wrong to do? Is it a cool thing to do? I don't know. Obviously, there are hits or miss. Obviously, this is kind of, I'm gonna say this is a miss on this. Only making a $20 to $50 profit kind of sucks. You don't really want to see that. You want to make a couple $100 profit. You kind of want to make, you know, 100, maybe like $75 minimum profit up, obviously. And we're gonna talk about that in the Travis Scott 4's right. Also, guys, if you haven't yet, please go check out my brand, Cam brand. I'm gonna leave the link around here somewhere and maybe a couple pictures of the clothing that I just updated and I just added to the store. Go check that. I'm gonna have a code for you guys, 20% off the entire purchase, and cop a shirt or cop a sweater or whatever you guys want. Let me know if you guys cop in the comments, and I'll set these aside a little bit. There was another shoe that released today, the Jordan 4 Travis Scott Cactus Jacks. What are the, honestly, I suck at names, but I know they're the Jordan 4s and they were blue, black, and red. Now, Nike. I made a video on it before. You guys suck with the sneakers app, in my opinion. I was up since 6:30 this morning, and I was on the Nike sneakers app, updating it. And then it was 7 o'clock hit. I tried to buy my size. I have my Face ID and my thumbprint already in, so it's good to go. And I kept getting that error message. It said, sorry, error occurred. Please try again later. I've backed out, closed the app, reopened that app multiple times to even get in line. A half hour later, I was able to get in line, and about another hour later, it said pending. And after that, I got the message that you weren't selected, and I was a little heated because Travis Scott's, I think, were $225, and I think the lowest ask right now on StockX is like $430, I think. I think the highest bid is like $700. So in terms of profitability, those are obviously more profitable than these Yeezys are because they're a lot more limited. And obviously Travis Scott hasn't released a shoe in a while since I think the Air Force Ones, which are releasing this year, or this month actually. I'm gonna try to cop those. I'm gonna try to keep those in my personal collection because I think they're super dope. But going back to the Cactus Jack 4's, if you're a reseller, those are the shoes to get and flip. I know today there's Chicago Sneaker Con. There's probably gonna be a shit ton of the Cactus Jacks and then these Supermoon. You can probably cop these on StockX for like $220. The Cactus Jacks, like I said, $400 to $600, $700 maybe. In my opinion, I took the L today. In my opinion, yes, I cop shoes. Yes, I'm gonna resell them. Whatever, make your opinion. I really wish I got those Cactus Jacks to flip real quick. Honestly, I've been out of the game for a while with buying shoes. You guys know that, and I'm like losing track of shoe names, shit like that. But other than that, I still try to cop shoes. I still follow it, and I still want to do some more unboxings and purchasing some stuff like that later in the future. Let me know if you guys purchased either one, if it was the 500s here or the Cactus Jack 4's. Let me know if you guys took the W or took the L. I took the L on Sneakers app, and I think I took an L today, only making, you know, $20, $30, $40 to $50 profit on these. Let me know what you guys want to see later on in the future. Obviously, like I know what I said in the past video, I'm gonna upload, if I do upload a certain day, it'll have a certain theme. I think I'm gonna start doing that a little bit more because I've had a lot more freedom, and I will probably be moving back to Chicago pretty soon, and I want to give you guys a tour of what my office is going to look like. I think I'm going to just gut out my room back home, move it to the basement, and move all like my printing stuff, my computer, laptop, everything into my main room, and be able to print cam shirts and everything I need to do in terms of my drop shipping, my brand, YouTube, everything like that. I can have in one room. It's a pleasure making video for you guys. I think it's super fun, and I can't wait for this journey to begin and kind of speed up a little bit. I know we're trying to chase 10,000 subs this year. Cutting it close, but if the effort's there, it could definitely happen. That is going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Again, let me know if you took a W or took an L on these today, and let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Until next time, guys, peace.